Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we're going to be doing is recharging the AC. Right now my AC is just blowing super hot air. I'm going to recharge it and hopefully it fixes it. I also finally got a mic, so let me know if you guys notice the audio difference. And I got a cell phone stand, so videos should be a little better sound quality and angle wise. So let's go ahead, give this a shot. I am going to put on a glove just in case for safety precautions.
First, you're going to find the low pressure side, which is here, and then unscrew it, from what I can tell. By the way, this here is not like the 100% correct way of doing it. This is just like a quick fix. If your AC runs out, apparently you have a leak. And the proper way to do it is to purge the system and then refill it, which I don't have that and I'm not paying for that. So I'm just going to do this. If I got to do this once a year, whatever works. If the AC lets go, then whatever. Turn your car on. Make sure your AC is on. It's on the coldest. It's on full blast. I think it's going to be on full blast. This is all I have. Okay. And I already have glasses, so don't need safety glasses. Well, you probably should put safety glasses, but I'm going to go ahead, screw this on. Then I'm going to go ahead, push this in. And I don't know if you can see, but the pressure is very low. Let's go ahead and fill her up. So you go, start here. You just go like this. Until it fills up. It is going in the yellow when I turn it up, so now it's in the almost in the yellow. I'm gonna shut this off. I think it's full. This is probably a horrible video. I've never done this before. So I'm gonna pop this off and go see if it's cold air in there. We have cold air, finally. Yes, because this was just pure hot air. It was blowing a little cool last year, and then near the end of the year it was getting warm, but this is blowing nice cold air now. So it is recharged. It's pretty cold. Maybe once you get driving. Oh, there we go. Yeah, once you start pressing the gas, it definitely is colder. So, yep, that did the trick. Because, I've been driving this in the 30 something degrees, like almost 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is, with no AC, it is really hot. So the Jersey Bear supercharger actually deletes the AC, so maybe I would just put like a portable AC in the back. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will link my cell phone mic and everything I use down in the description. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.